Hi all, welcome to T&D Style. We will offer collection. This is set purchase WhatsApp purchase. First color shade purple shade and the yoke highlight beautiful thread work highlight this pattern yoke top 2.5 meter 48-49 length top in back pattern plain दुपट्टा beautiful दुपट्टा जॉर्जेट fabric daily wear use set दुपट्टा side thread work highlight दुपट्टा chiffon दुपट्टा side thread work highlight दुपट्टा booty work sequence work highlight दुपट्टा side scalp border attach दुपट्टा 2.5 meter length width दुपट्टा bottle lining attached sandal fabric price $7.99 with free shipping. Next bread shade yoke beautiful yoke last yoke thread work sequence work highlighted top back plain set georgette fabric bottle lining attached दुपट्टा beautiful दुपट्टा दुपट्टा beautiful दुपट्टा 2.5 meter double side use दुपट्टा दुपट्टा side scalp border दुपट्टा lining attached bottle lining attached price $7.99 with free shipping. Next blue shade yoke pattern yoke beautiful set georgette fabric budget range $7.99 price top back plain top dupatta beautiful dupatta dupatta length 2.5 meter dupatta full embroidery work dupatta top yoke embroidery work highlight bottom lining attached price $7.99 with free shipping. Next pattern georgette fabric yoke beautiful yoke brasso patchwork highlight yoke full mirror work stick top top back plain top 2.5 meter 48-49 length दुपट्टा beautiful दुपट्टा brasso दुपट्टा दुपट्टा full mirror work attached दुपट्टा 2.5 meter party wear use set bottom lining attached sandal fabric price $7.99 with free shipping. Next blue shade navy blue brasso patchwork pattern square pattern brasso patchwork top 2.5 meter setting bottom lining attached dupatta brasso dupatta full mirror work stick dupatta bottom lining attached sandal fabric price $7.99 with free shipping. This is the offer collection. This set purchase WhatsApp purchase. YouTube video like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.